Wow, it's certainly quiet in here. It's like a different world from the street outside.
That's the first thing I noticed when I bought the place. Welcome to the Triple Almond Building, Margaret. I'm glad you found it okay.
It wasn't too hard. The map on my smartphone was very accurate. Nice to finally meet you in person, Robert.
Great to meet you too. Please, call me Rob. Did you drive here?
No, I took the metro. I'm still learning the city. I'm from New Jersey originally, so the layout of DC is a little confusing for me right now.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it. I'm from Chicago, so I missed the grid system for a long time. But DC has a great charm. Shall we go up? I'm on the top floor.
The penthouse?
Well, technically yes, but it's just a really nice apartment with a great view. After you. This elevator is actually high speed. It's the fastest in the district.
Oh? I hope my ears don't pop.
It's very smooth. You won't feel a thing. So, Margaret, you mentioned you're a nurse?
That's right. I'm with the university hospital. I'm doing an international exchange program right now. It's a lot of work, but I love it.
That sounds intense. My schedule is pretty crazy too, but in a different way. I work in digital finance, blockchain technology.
Oh, like that digital money people talk about on the news?
Exactly. It never sleeps, so neither do I. That's why I made sure this apartment is perfect for relaxing when I actually do get a break. Here we are, Unit 12A. Everything is keyless. You just use a code or an app on your phone.
That's convenient. No more losing keys at the bottom of my bag.
Exactly. Come on in. Welcome to your potential new home.
Oh my goodness. Robert, this is spacious.
It is, isn't it? It's an open concept design. I wanted the living room, the dining area, and the workspace to flow together.
And the light. Look at those windows.
Floor to ceiling glass. You get the sunrise in the morning. Watch this. House. Privacy mode off.
You can talk to the curtains?
You can talk to almost everything in here. The lights, the temperature, the music. It's a fully integrated smart home. It fits my lifestyle. I like things efficient.
It's beautiful. But can I ask a practical question?
Of course, ask anything.
Does it get hot with all this glass?
That's a good question. The glass is treated to block UV rays. Plus, the central air conditioning is very powerful. It stays cool.
That's good. I work long shifts, sometimes at night. When I come home, I just want to be comfortable.
I totally understand. Comfort is key. That's actually why I'm leasing the place. I'm looking at buying a tennis club nearby, and I might travel more for my investments. I want someone responsible to enjoy this space while I'm gone.
A tennis club? Do you play?
I try to. I'm still learning. Do you play sports?
Not really. My job keeps me on my feet all day. But I do like handcrafting. Knitting, sewing, that sort of thing. It helps me relax.
That's cool. You need good lighting for that, right? Well, you have plenty here. Let me show you the kitchen. Here it is, the chef's station.
Oh, it's very modern.
Isn't it? Italian marble countertops, induction stove, and look at this fridge. It's hidden behind this panel.
Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone.
It blends right into the wall.
Exactly. Minimalist design. Keeps everything looking clean.
It's very sleek, Rob. But where are the cabinets?
The cabinets? They are right here. You just push to open.
I see. They are a bit shallow, aren't they?
Well, they are designed for the essentials. I usually order food delivery or eat out, to be honest. I don't do a lot of heavy cooking.
Ah, that might be a challenge for me. I cook almost every day. It's healthier, and like I said, I like making things with my hands. I have a lot of pots, pans, and baking supplies.
I see. You could store the larger items in the pantry closet near the entrance. It's quite big.
Maybe. I'd have to walk back and forth. But this counter space is lovely. I could definitely spread out my ingredients here.
And it's stain resistant. So if you spill tomato sauce, no problem.
That's a very important feature for a nurse. We appreciate cleanliness. What is this machine here?
That's the crown jewel, the espresso machine. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. You can order it to brew a cappuccino while you are still in bed.
Okay, now you are speaking my language. Coffee is essential for my shifts.
I'll leave the machine here for you. It's part of the lease.
That's a big plus. Okay, the kitchen is small, but the coffee machine helps. What about the noise? We are right in the city center.
Let's go to the bedroom. I'll show you. This is the master suite. King-sized bed, memory foam mattress. And notice the silence?
It's very quiet in here.
Triple-paned glass, soundproof walls. I need total focus when I'm reading my comic books or trading at night, so soundproofing was a priority.
You read comic books?
Yeah, it's my guilty pleasure. I have a huge collection in the study. I'm actually moving them to storage, so you'll have that room for whatever you want.
A spare room? That's fantastic. I could turn that into my craft room.
Exactly, a sewing room. It has great shelves.
And the closet space here in the bedroom?
Walk-in closet, right through there.
Oh, wow. This is bigger than my first apartment in New Jersey.
I told you, it's all about the lifestyle. You can fit a lot of uniforms in here.
And regular clothes, too. I do have a life outside the hospital.
Of course. Speaking of outside, let's talk about the neighborhood. Do you know this area well?
Not really. I know the hospital is about 3 miles away.
Right. So for your commute, you have a few options. The metro station is just 2 blocks over. It's a straight shot to the medical center.
That's convenient. What about safety? If I come home late?
This area is very safe. There's 24-hour security in the building lobby, and the street is well lit. There are always people around because of the restaurants.
Are there grocery stores nearby, since I plan to cook?
There is a large organic market on the corner. It's a bit pricey, but the quality is amazing. And there is a regular supermarket about a 10-minute walk away.
That's manageable. I like walking.
There is also a great park nearby, perfect for jogging or just sitting on a bench. And if you like tennis...
I think I'll leave the tennis to you, Rob. But a park sounds nice.
So, what do you think so far? I know the kitchen is a bit minimalist for a baker.
The kitchen is the only worry. But the light in the living room, and that walk-in closet, and the quiet bedroom, it balances out.
I really think you'd like the smart features too. It makes life so much easier.
I am willing to try. I'm not very tech-savvy, but I can learn.
I can leave you a manual, or just show you. It's really intuitive.
Okay, let's talk about the lease details. You mentioned it comes furnished?
Yes, fully furnished. The sofa, the bed, the dining table, the TVs, everything you see stays. I'm only taking my personal items, my computer, and my comic books.
That's helpful. Moving furniture is a nightmare.
Tell me about it.
What about utilities? Are they included in the rent?
The water and high-speed internet are included. You would just need to pay for the electricity. Since everything is energy efficient, the bill is usually quite low.
That sounds reasonable. And the duration of the lease?
I'm looking for a 12-month lease. I want some stability while I focus on my new business investments.
12 months works for me. That matches my exchange program duration perfectly.
That's great! It feels like destiny.
Let's not jump ahead too fast. I still need to check my budget. The rent you listed online is, well, it's at the very top of my price range.
I understand. It's a premium building. But remember, you're saving money on a gym membership because the building has a gym. And you save on internet.
That's true. And the commute is cheap.
Look, why don't we sit down on the balcony? I can get us some water or an espresso, and we can look at the numbers together.
You really want to show off that coffee machine, don't you?
I really do. It makes the best foam.
Okay, 1 coffee, and we can talk about the deposit.
Have a seat. The view is even better from here.
You were right. You can see the whole city.
It's inspiring, isn't it? It makes you feel like anything is possible.
It makes me feel small, but in a good way.
So, Margaret, be honest. Can you see yourself living here?
I can. I'd have to get creative with my cooking supplies. Maybe buy some rolling carts for the kitchen.
That's a great idea. A rolling island.
Exactly. But the location is perfect for the hospital. And I really need a quiet place to sleep.
Then I think we can make this work. I have a few other people interested, but I prefer renting to a professional like you. You seem respectful of the space.
I would take good care of it. I treat my home like I treat my patients. With care.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear. Ah, hear that? Your cappuccino is ready.
It's like magic.
It's technology. I'll go grab it. Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
Thank you. Okay. That's delicious.
See? The apartment sells itself.
You are a very good salesman, Rob.
I try my best. So, do you have any questions about the building rules, pets, guests?
Oh, right, guests. My parents might visit from New Jersey for a weekend. Is that allowed?
Absolutely. There's a guest suite on the second floor you can book if you want more privacy, or they can stay here. The sofa turns into a bed.
A sleeper sofa? I didn't notice.
Custom made. Very comfortable.
Perfect. And pets? I don't have one now, but
The building is pet friendly, but there is an extra cleaning fee and a size limit. No horses.
I think I'll stick to a goldfish. Or maybe a cat.
A cat is fine.
Okay, I think I'm running out of questions.
That's a good sign. So, what is the next step for you?
I need to go home and calculate my monthly expenses. I want to make sure I can afford the rent and still save a little money.
Smart. Never rush a financial decision.
Exactly. Can I let you know by tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning works. I can hold the listing until then.
That would be wonderful. Thank you, Rob.
No problem. I have a good feeling about this.
Me too. It's a very special place.
It is. I'm gonna miss it, honestly. But it's time for me to move on to my next project.
The tennis club?
The tennis club, and maybe some travel. Who knows?
Well, I hope you find what you are looking for.
And I hope you find your home here.
Okay, I should get going. I have a shift starting in 3 hours.
I'll walk you out. We can take the stairs down one flight to see the gym, if you have time.
Oh, sure. A quick look.
Great. Follow me. House, secure mode.
I don't think I'll ever get tired of that.
It makes you feel like a superhero, right?
A little bit. Or a villain in a movie.
As long as you pay the rent, you can be whatever you want.